Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix D3DX9 underscore 31.dll not found or missing error on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is simply restart your computer, and for some people it just simply restart your computer, it can fix your problem. And if it's not the case, if the problem still persists, then the next thing that I suggest you to do here is to install the latest version of Microsoft DirectX. And to do so, you just need to write on Google DirectX and user runtime, and probably it will be the first link here that says DirectX and user runtime web installer. And then open up this link and hit download and download setup. And then you should see something similar to this. Just click on it and install. Press I accept agreement, hit next, deselect this and install the web installer. And if it's not the case, after you restart a computer, the problem still persists, what I suggest you to do here, in a lot of ways, this error occurs when you try to run the game. So first, just find if the game is the problem, open up your game client, go to library, find the game, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game files is corrupted. Then hit browse, find exe file of your game or your app. Then you need to go to properties, compatibility, and make sure this option and this option is not selected. All right, and then apply the changes. And if this is not working, then you just need to go to installed apps, and you just need to reinstall the game or the app just by clicking the burger menu here, uninstall and reinstall again. And if the problem still persists, then another thing that I suggested to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then on command prompt, you need to just write cfc / scan now, one word, right? And what it does, it will check all your files on your computer, and it will fix corrupted once after the verification process is completed. And if this didn't help you, then the last thing that I suggested you do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. And to do so, first go to search, then open up settings. Then on settings, you need to go to Windows Update and press check for updates or install all, and download and install all the updates and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. I can easily go to drivers tab, check for updates and install the latest drivers on my NVIDIA GPU. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that. And also you can always go to device manager, and then here you need to just open up expand display adapters, right click on your GPU and update drivers and search automatically for drivers. Restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, but it should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.